Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix FireStick buffering issue permanently by changing the must urgent settings.
Fix 1. Clear cache and data Step 1. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications Step 2. Select the app that buffers a lot, e.g. Netflix, Prime Video. Step 3. Click Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Step 4. Restart the FireStick. Fix 2. Use a VPN, optional for streaming apps. Step 1. Install a reliable VPN from the FireStick store. Step 2. Connect a nearby server to reduce buffering. Fix 3. Adjust display and video settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, Display and Sounds, Display, Video Resolution. Step 2. Set a lower resolution, e.g. 720p. If you have slow internet. Step 3. Go to Settings, Applications, Video Apps Settings, Limit HD 4K. Fix 4. Restart FireStick regularly. Step 1. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, Restart. Step 2. Do this once a week to keep performance smooth.